Quake! Quaco! Quake and Quaco! Where are you? Oh, she's not here. Maybe next month until Tuesday, May 21st. Guess the Quaco is coming. Next month, Tuesday, 21st. His other campus, Gaia, the update for 2023-2024 for now. Hold together, babe. I'll show you. Not to me. Boop. Hello? Hello? And come on. Good. What is that, son? It's my lunch. I'll take it down there. I found the tape! What you doing out here? Get out of my garage! No! I've been skies and to me attitude. Hey, look! I can see the quake in the stars! That's a given it for a while. They're called Quake character in the sky and the stars. Oh no, to me. That's me. Oh look! I see the Quaco in the sky! The star's a Quaco character! That's a state and alive, Amy, the movie character! Alright. The comic suck! The comic suck! Impossible! I'll go back to back. Okay. Well, speak him up. Coming sound 22. You are the one that fail. Chips. Thank you, good. You two have a damn the cracker. I put on the garbage away. There we go. Now it could feel better. You didn't get to bed to warm up, okay? Get your work done. Artista Popos XC on Adrenaline should be coming on December 30th. Monday, December 30th is Popo is coming. Then after the War Monster movie, camera movie start on Saturday, June 1st to Tuesday, December 31st. To get the quickly sweep on the War Monster with Godzilla Vampire Report, and not to let the covers in a sense. Here's the War Monster Singular coming on Friday, May 31st. Do you know what that means then? Oh well. Mother, I can't hear. Son! Are you okay? Give me that. Knock it off! Whatever, so that you. Ow! Stop! Stop him, oh my God! No, to be impossible. Impossible! Pin the bin. Beanstalk Carter. Hickorite. Move! Mr. Buckhammer, you can move! Welcome back to me. Mr. Buckhammer, you can move! I told him Mr. Brown can move, can you? By Dr. Seuss right now! No, Mr. Brown can move, can you? Right now! No. It's okay? All right.